Where's Kitty? I can't see Kitty.
She's over here. She's over here.
Oh shit.
Look at Kat. She's like, oh my god.
Get out of my way, red guy. Oh. Get out of the way.
Right, that notification. I'm scared. Look at Kat. She's like dying. I love her.
Kat, come on. Hug him or something. Ask him for his baby. Lady, get out of the way. Sorry. Tagal ni Kitty ah.
What's that last? Oh, he's drawing something. He's totally drawing something. Katya is gonna keel over and die.
I know, probably is. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I got it. Beso mo yan.
Oh, I feel so happy for her.
Kitty, beso mo naman. What the? Kitty, Kitty. It's like you gave birth. Shit, I hope my memory does that. Yeah. Look at that face. Okay, wait. Lisa, my bag's falling. Could you please put it back on my shoulder?
How do I put it?
There. Thank you. Dude, I can't see a damn thing. I have to cut this.
Yeah. It's kind of turned away.
I know. Oh, I see a fish. Oh, there's so many people. What the hell?
No one's lining up in
What? What did you just say? As if she can hear me.
I know.
Lisa, my bag's fallen again. I'm sorry. Yeah. There. Thank you. Why is she clasping her mouth?
I don't know. She's happy. Just like
Shit, Lisa, we have to think of what to say. Think of something.